G'day kids, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new videos that come out. Until then, enjoy this one.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie.
G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now who loves adventure and ropes and tunnels and zip lines? Well, I certainly do. What about you kids?
Yeah!
That's great to hear because we're here at Trees Adventure next to the Grose River, and this is a high ropes course set so high off the ground in amongst the trees. I'm going to need to be brave so I can get through some of the sections of this course. You guys going to help me be brave?
Yeah!
Are you excited to get stuck in?
Yeah!
Come on kids, let's get started. Safety first, kids. I feel and look safe. So kids, we've all been geared up. Now it's time to meet our two instructors that are going to take us through the ropes course today. So Pat.
Good to see you.
Yeah,
Ready
nice
to go.
meet you. And Ash.
Ash, yeah.
Thanks for having me here today and
course.
welcoming the kids along.
We're gonna have a good time.
So we're all geared up.
Yep.
What do we need to learn next?
We're gonna head through a bit of training now. So we're gonna head around. You guys are gonna jump over this side here for me. We're gonna see what we're gonna be doing, okay? So I'm gonna head through this course. I'm gonna make sure we know what we're doing, and then we'll head over and we'll have a climb. Is that okay? Easy. Okay, now grabbing these carabiners just here. Those ones are gonna come over your head, just over the top. One of those is gonna be unlocked, one of them's gonna be locked. Now,
So kids, Pat's just taken us through the whole safety procedure and he's shown us how to use these carabiners to lock ourselves onto the cable to make sure that we're safe. Because of course, kids, safety first as always. And when we're up in amongst the trees, a couple of meters off the ground, we want to make sure that we're safe. So now that we've learnt it, we're going to come over and practice it ourselves so that we know how to do it when we're up there. So let's go and give it a go. And how fun is that? So we've got four very brave and very excited kids. I've got to say that I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm sure with the help of the four kids that we'll all be okay. We can help each other up there when things get a little bit nervous and we get a little bit scared, which is absolutely fine. When you're doing something new, it's okay to get nervous and a little bit scared, isn't it? But we know through all that training that we're going to be safe. We're not going to fall. If we do fall, we've got some amazing equipment here that's going to keep us safe. And the main thing is we're just going to have lots of fun up there. So come on kids, let's go. We've got four very excited kids, as I said. Will, are you pumped?
Yeah, I'm very pumped.
Are you a bit nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, but you're the bigger kid here, right? You're almost as big as Ozzie. And you've done a bit of climbing before.
Yeah.
So are you going to lead the way? Are you going to show Ozzie and the kids at home how it's done?
Oh, if they want me to.
Yeah. Awesome. Which did you see something on this course that you like the look of?
Yeah, the rock climbing wall up
There's
there.
a rock climbing wall over there, so we'll have to find that one. I'm looking forward to seeing that one. Channing, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very excited.
Very excited. Are you 100% excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you a little bit nervous?
Yeah, teeny bit.
Just a teeny weeny bit. It's okay to be nervous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fraser, what about you, buddy? You look so pumped.
Pumped.
Just pumped. Super excited? Yeah.
Not even nervous.
Not even nervous. That's incredible. And Lani, what about yourself?
I'm a bit nervous.
Bit nervous? What scares you?
Height.
The height. Yeah. What happens if you fall up there?
You bounce. I climb back onto the rope.
Yeah. What's going to save you?
The harness.
The harness. That's right. We went through all that safety procedure back there, which shows us that everything is nice and safe. This equipment's going to keep us safe, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's okay to be a little bit nervous, a little bit scared. but just know that if you do fall, if you have a little slip, you're not going to fall away to the ground. This harness is going to keep us safe. Well, I'm pumped. Should we get stuck in? Yeah, let's do it. What is your number one piece of advice that you give to the little kids here and those kids at home that want to come and give this a try?
I would say just keep going. If you stop and freak out, it's okay, but just one foot in front of the other, and you'll get through it. Is that okay?
Nice.
I think so.
I like it.
Alrighty.
Good job, Lani. Lani's off, either way. Look at it go. Well, look, I'm feeling fairly confident on these small ones. It's not a long way off the ground, so I'm excited. I'm just really pumped. I know that I'm going to get a whole lot more nervous when we get all the way up there. Have you seen how high this thing is? These trees are massive, and those cables and those platforms are a long way up, so I can tell that I'm going to be a whole lot more nervous, a bit more scared when I'm up there. But down here I'm okay. Just step around it, mate. Don't let it push you over. You show it who's what. Just like that. Look, you've got no fear. Down, buddy. Awesome. I think I'm ready to take my first step on this cable and put all my trust in this safety equipment. I don't think it's going to be okay. I made it! Number one down. So I've just come across the first one. It was a little bit wobbly, but I made it across okay. Now, these kids are flying ahead of me. Lani's all the way through to almost the end of the course. She's down there below me. Little Fraser, 5 years old, smashing it down there. And Will and Channing are going great guns too. Now, I'm onto the second part of the course. Now, I've just taken my first step and she's a little bit wobbly. So I think I'm going to need to use my hands on this one, but let's see how we go. Oh. Done. Oh. Go, Chan. Hey, buddy. Yeah, Channing. Good boy. This is pretty cool. Now, one piece of advice, kids, is that you probably shouldn't look down if you're starting to get a little uncomfortable, because it does make it a little bit more scary. So good to keep your eyes up and looking straight across to where you want to eventually end up, which is just over there on the next platform. Now, of course, you do need to look down a little bit so that you know where your feet are going, because if you miss these planks, you're going to put your feet on nothing and you're going to slip through. But that's okay. That's what the cables and the carabiners and the harness is for. Oh, this is a wobbly cable. So I'm all strapped in. I've got my pulley, I've got my carabiners all in place. Now I'm ready. One hand above and then one hand on these sections here. That is fun. That's the best part of the course so far. I love that. How'd you go?
Good.
Did we love it?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it again.
You want to do more?
I'm doing.
Well, unfortunately, that's the end of the day. We're gonna go home now.
Let's go.
Can we? Should we do some more?
Yeah.
I think they want some more, kids. I want some more.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do some more. All right, Lonnie, you ready?
Go, Lonnie! Yoo-hoo! Yeah, Lonnie! Yeah, cool. Off he goes. Well, I love the last one, so I reckon I'm going to love this one too. Hands up there. Other hand down here. Oh, that's a cross under. Whee! Done. Now kids, my little mate's over here in front of me. I watched Will run across this pretty fast. Let's see if I can do it as quick as him. Let's do it. Yoo-hoo! Tell you what, kids, we're nearly at the end of the second course. This is an incredible way to spend your day. The sun's shining, I'm having an absolute ball. The kids I'm here with are having an absolute ball. And I can tell you, if you come out here to Trees Adventure, I know that you'll have an absolute ball too. It is super fun. Go Channing! Woohoo! Good job, buddy! I can't wait to have my turn now. It looks like so much fun. Phew! So kids, we've just finished our second course. Who loved that? Yeah, me too. So did you know that that was a green course? Because you know the courses go up in difficulty. Yeah. We've done our second green course, but did you realise that that zip line that you came across is actually the end of a black course? Black is the most difficult, so you've just essentially done the end of a black course. Pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
So is that it? We're finished? You ready to go home?
No!
More?
Yeah!
What colour do we want to go to next?
Blue!
Go do some blue.
Let's
Go.
Good job, Ozzie.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Yeah, buddy! Oh. Bye, Lonnie! So there you go, kids. We've been through 4 courses. That was absolutely incredible. Pat and Ash, I want to thank you so much for having us here today. You've certainly inspired me to come back and try some of those higher ones. Kids, did you have a ball?
Yeah!
Yeah, I reckon kids at home, if you love watching it, then come along to Tree's Adventure, because I'll tell you what, it's even more fun here doing it. We'll see you on the next video, kids. Until then, stay keen. Speaking of keen, what do you say we go up and try another blue one?
Yeah!
Let's go. See you later, kids. Hey kids, did you have lots of fun today watching Ozzie? I hope so. Did you know that we've got a heap of Ozzie episodes on our YouTube channel? If you haven't already, go back and have a scroll through. I reckon you'll find some others that you absolutely love. And while you're there, why don't you hit subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of our new videos that we bring out. We'll see you again soon, kids. Until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of